Hello everyone! I think that everybody loves Chanel style dresses. A customer is coming for this one very soon, so I've decided to shoot a quick review. The dress is lined, there is lining even in the sleeves. This fabric is of a very good quality. I wanted to have a close look at it. It's grey with gold threads. Notice that it consists of different threads, thin and thick ones. Have a look at this Chanel style trim. It looks almost like a fur trim. These grey, gold and white threads look amazing together. Due to the fact that the threads are different, the trim looks very beautiful. The tailors of my fashion house learned how to make perfect Chanel trims. These are handmade trims. Our customers know that we make amazing Chanel trims, so they don't agree to anything else. What should you pay your attention to? Have a look at the neckline. It's edged with the trim, and there is a zipper on the center back. Notice that there is no facing on the neckline. Notice that there is also a Chanel style trim on the center front and on the pockets. Notice that even the pockets are lined. I've showed you how to line pockets in the video about the jacket for a kid. Notice that the patterns on the pockets match the patterns on the dress itself. I want you to have a look at this dress once again. The fabric is absolutely amazing. Grey and gold threads look beautiful together. Imagine how good this dress will look like together with some golden accessories. This dress is made using my 10 measurement cutting system. The sleeves are pretty wide, and you can see that this is an A-line dress. It's not straight. Now I want to put this dress on the table to show you the wrong side. This is a French fabric of a very good quality. You can tell it by sight. Notice that the trim is stitched not to the very edge. The edge of the neckline matches the edge of the trim. If you stitch it to the very edge, it would touch your neck all the time. Trust me, it's not comfortable. There are two bust darts here. I've already said that this is an A-line dress. It takes very long to make the Chanel style trim. It's made of the same fabric. Now I'll show you the wrong side of the dress. The seams in this dress are edged with an overlock sewing machine. Have a look at the bottom. When making a lined item, make lining of such length that it covers this seam. Don't make it shorter. Lining should be at least 1 centimeter longer than this seam. Otherwise, the dress wouldn't look good. Notice that the zipper is also lined, as well as the sleeves. Notice that the lining in the sleeves is overcast and stitched this way. It was made in order for the lining not to stretch when a person moves. I know that some tailors prefer to stitch linings to items. It's much easier to make linings this way, because in this case you don't need to edge the seams, bottom and so on. I prefer not simple items, but items of a good quality. Have a close look at all the details. Have a look at this detail once again. It's very convenient to overcast lining in sleeves this way. Do not forget to press it. It's also better not to stitch lining to a dress at the bottom. It's not convenient to wear such items. Perfect. Now I'll turn the dress right side out. The fabric is very light, so the item is not heavy. This is one of the features of fabric of a very good quality. Cheap fabrics are usually heavy. Today I've showed you a thorough review of this amazing Chanel style dress. I hope that you'll find this video useful. I realize that even though I show you a lot of Chanel style items, I haven't showed you how to make such Chanel style dreams. I'll do it next time. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Don't be afraid of experiments. Search for your own style and design which suit you. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel and write comments. Goodbye.